Okay, tatagon daw ay. Kasamang roda, intang rodena.
Dito iti, or Orion, iti kaadwan.
Yes.
No, may mangipaay iti sunata.
Wow!
Pagtanggayan boses, tidwa, nga kagwapo, nga engineer, our technician,
Mr.
Neil Nico Manahan,
and Mr. Roland Arnedo.
Wow, come forward, engineer. Ay.
Wow. Okay,
Yes,
dito
dating
tangarot
ano din.
kasamang Ginalyn. Okay, umay nga ro din. Magnada iti red carpet. Dagiti dua nga engineers tayo.
Tatararat.
Tararan, tararan. Okay.
Yes, intay nga ro din na buyain.
Abi kasamang Ginalyn.
Gendenggen.
Pimintas na ito may kinataa. Okay, may kayo engineer. Padaanan tayo, Apo. Umay day ti sangon. Okay.
Dati nga ro din.
At marchadan.
Para ka na kayo amin. Ngawan tilabas na.
So lately, been wondering who will be there to take my place when I'm gone. You need love to light the shadows on your face. It would break the which I fall. It'll fall upon my soul. And between the sand and stone, could you make it on your own? If I could, then I would. I'd go wherever you will go, way up high or down low. I'd go wherever you will go, and baby, I'll find out the way to make it back someday, to watch you, to guide you to the darkest of your days. If a great witch shall fall, it'll fall upon us all. But I hope there's someone out there who can bring me back to you. If I could, then I would. I'd go wherever you will go, way up high or down low. I'd go wherever you will go. Run away with my heart, run away with my heart, run away with my love. Just quite how my life and love must still go on. In your heart, in your mind, I stay with you for all the time. If I could, then I would. I'd go wherever you will go, way up high or down low. I'd go wherever I'll go wherever you will go. If I could make you mine, I'll go wherever you will go. I'll go wherever you will go. Thank you.
Yes! Wow, what a great voice!
Wow,
What a
thank you
great
so
duet.
much!
Wow! Grabe.
Agi
oh.
basa ta kasama ang Ginalyn.
Yes. Ore lang nga, timmarnaw ti pa nagkita ka.
Ore, kasrali mawag pwede ti pagbasbasaan ta Ginalina.
Isa pa yun ha.
Okay, kung na dito ni Sir... Okay, kung na dito ni...
Yes.
Ni Ma'am Lita Malabed Kakachan. Wow, nice song, Miss Vilma and Michael. One of my favorite song. Very nice duet. 300 pesos para lodyo kada kayo. J Brother song. Okay, kung na napay dito
Yes.
Ma'am ulit tamantayan sagay. How sweet ko na. Okay, kung na dito ni Sir Ronald Saludares. Wow, nakakaloka kumanta ang mga sirs. Thanks a lot. Kunana.
Yes. Thank you for that super clap Big Boss. And also, kung ni Mami Lita Malabed Kakachan, Yahoo! Nagmayat man. 300 pesos each loads for you guys too.
Yes! Congratulations mga engineers! Okay, pakipangato pa engineer. Apo, deti manen. Kuna ni Ma'am Odette Amante Ansagay. For the first time, engineer duet. 500 each, both of you. Yes,
Wow.
congratulations again, engineers.
Thank you.
Nag-thumbs up met ni Sir Ronald Saludares. Okay. Okay. Tatangar kasamang Ginali, mangipa ite pengar
Yes.
iti may isang solo.